So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. So let's get started. First of all, here is my Google Chrome. So as you can see, I cannot understand the language. So if you just tap on the three dots, the language is not acknowledgeable for me. So what can you do to change our language to the back to the English? It's very simple, guys. You need to go to the three dots and simply go with this. All right, this is the settings option. You need to go with this option. As you can see, here is a gear icon right beside it, so you can find out that it is the settings. So you need to tap on this option. So the settings is open up. Then from here, here is the icon for the language. All right, so you need to tap on this icon, which is for the language. So as you can see, we have done it. So now we need to add English as our language. So how we can do that is very simple, guys. Once again, you need to tap on this button, which is to add language. So from here on the search bar, you need to search for English. All right, so here are lots of English. Firstly, I will go with this one, United Kingdom. As you can see, I will go with this one. Then you can tap on this. As you can see, it has been added. So I will go and tap on these three dots and simply go with this one. So now it is been selected as your primary language. So once again, after clicking on that, you need to go with this button. So tap on this button, then your Google Chrome will be restart. And as you can see, we have successfully added our language back to English. All right, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.